Educators. Last week was one of the most significant of this year. Thousands of teachers came to Raleigh to voice their concerns to legislators. And on that same day in Illinois, a school shooting was prevented by a school resource officer. 2 days later, though, a disturbed young man walked into his high school in Texas and killed 8 students and 2 teachers. I refuse to accept school shootings as our new reality. Like you, I have to focus on what I can do today in my role to help. My team and I are working with the General Assembly to fund improvements that can help prevent these tragedies, such as more mental health resources in our schools, an anonymous tip app, and more school resource officers. We are also looking at any burdens the system places on you that may interfere with your efforts to build relationships with your students. Sadly, regardless of the latest pop culture obsession, viral social media post, or violent video game, there are always going to be teenagers who are filled with angst, frustration, torment, or loneliness. As we have seen, not all children are in households that are capable of recognizing and addressing this issue, even though we wish they were. The relationships and trust that develop between educators and students can help prevent these issues from turning into tragedies. We must do everything we can to empower teachers with the time you need to help our students to be good citizens. I have seen great character development programs around the state, ranging from elementary schools to post-secondary institutions. Much of their success grows out of promoting meaningful relationships between students and teachers, as well as students and their peers. Educators should not have to, nor can they, solve this problem alone. It's one piece of a much larger puzzle, but we can do our part. My priorities for this office continue to be to provide better professional development for teachers and support on these tough issues, to champion pathways to success for all students, and to better support good local initiatives. We've come a long way on those issues. We just completed an extensive review of all the time spent testing across the state, and before the end of the school year, we plan to send you an NC Educators Perspective survey to get your feedback to guide our next steps in reducing testing to give you back your time in the classroom. Have a great rest of the school year, and look for our emails during the summer. We will send you updates on the state budget and other legislation. Thank you so much for everything you do, and thank you for your service to our students and our state.